Hey John, tell us what you are doing right now.
Okay, this motor is going to have a 76 stroke, so if you use a clearance rod, you don't have to go to the machine shop for stroke clearancing. You can do what's needed just on the cylinder holes a little bit by hand.
Okay.
With a die grinder like this. So we just need,
Yes.
I already did the top here, you can see
Yes.
a little cut out there.
Okay. So for 76.
76, and so now I'm going to do this bottom one here.
Yes.
Doesn't take too much clearance. I have to get in here and get just the right feeling for it. Yeah, I'm not comfortable, but we're going to do this one. Here we go. A little bit more. That's it.
That's it?
We'll do this one. Yeah, that's it.
Let me. So can you point the space you grind?
I can't here.
Okay, so we compare next side is not.
This one is not done.
Okay, so this is for 76.
76.
If we do for 82,
82, it needs a little bit more down in here, and then the back side of the case, and on the top. And the 76, we just need this.
I see. So we just stop right here, right?
Stop right about there at the ledge, yeah. That should be it.
Okay.
We'll do a trial assembly before we do the final, make sure everything's here.
Okay,
Should
thank
be
you
enough
so
right
much. So you will keep continuing to the number 3 cylinder, right?
there. Yep.
Okay.
There you go.